Hi, welcome to Versova World. Let's make a paper model of Angkor Wat, a Buddhist temple in Cambodia. We will require a cutting mat, a paper of 120 GSM, paper cutting knife, glue, dried up ballpoint pen, scissor, a steel ruler and a pincer. We will begin by scoring all the fold lines. We won't have to score anything on the base. Let's understand our model. This is the base of our paper model, and we won't have to do any folding or cutting over here. We just have to cut the outline. This is the first floor of the model. These are the 4 towers. This will go over here. Then we have got a central tower which will go on the roof, and this is the roof. And there are 4 internal entrances, and these will be placed inside the boundary wall. We have got 4 more entrances. These will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the external entrances. So we'll start by cutting the base. I recommend that we should not cut all the parts at one time only. This is the second or third time I am making this model. When first time I had made this model, I made the mistake of cutting all the parts before only, and later on when I started pasting it, I got confused between which was the central tower, which were the side towers. Then again there was confusion between which were the internal entrances and which parts were the external entrances. Pasting the first floor level to the base, you will find that the tabs are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to paste it accordingly. We will match the numerics on the tab and paste the first floor level to the base. These 2 horizontal parts are the boundary wall of the model. This part will form the two sides of the boundary wall of the model. This other part will become the other two sides boundary walls of the model. We'll have to connect both the parts so as to make it into a continuous wall. Here also the tabs are marked as 5, 6, 7, 8 and you have to match it and paste it accordingly. Now we will cut and paste the 4 side towers. There, one of our towers is ready. Repeat for other 3 towers. Now we will cut the central tower. Actually all the 4 side towers as well as the center tower, they are all alike. The only difference is that in their design. In the central tower, on all 5 sides we will find that the design runs all the way from the peak up to the bottom of the tower. But in the side towers you will find that out of the 5 sides, 2 sides have got some blank spaces at the bottom, because these 2 sides will slide into the slots of the roof. So while pasting the side towers, you have to ensure that these 2 blank spaces slide into the slot of the roof and lie hidden inside. These are the 4 inside entrances. Repeat for the other 3 entrances. These are the 4 outside entrances, and these will be placed over here, here and here. As I have already mentioned earlier that the inside entrances and outside entrances look alike and hence they are very confusing. The only difference between them is that they are different in sizes. The outside entrances are larger compared to inside entrances. model of Angkor Wat, Buddhist temple of Cambodia is ready for display. You can download the template of this beautiful paper model from the link given in the description box below. I have made videos on various topics. For any particular or similar topic, kindly visit my channel's playlist. Hope this has inspired you to make one yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.